Hey y'all, I'm Lorna, and I'm here with my fall FabFitFun. I don't know what I was thinking. I've had this for like a month and it's been sitting in my living room unopened. I don't know what happened. I mean, I know what happened. I'm pregnant and things get in the way, and rearranging your house and trying to baby proof it. That happens, that's real, and it just ended up under the table and I noticed it cleaning up and I was like, oh my gosh, I haven't done this yet. I'm super excited to show you what I got. I remember now a little bit better how all of this works. I'm excited for the items that I picked out. I definitely ordered some extra goodies this time and I cannot wait. I'm so sorry. I don't know what I was thinking. So let's jump right in. I'm really excited to show you what I got, and yeah, let's go for it. Here it is. I've got my little FabFitFun magazine that tells me about all the different products that they're offering in the fall. I'll be excited to look at it. Okay. Let's see. Humankind Skincare with a Conscience Body Souffle. It's some body lotion. Let's see. Wander Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I love an eye mask. Yes, these are going to be great. I'm so excited. Skinvolve Body Boost Gel with green tea, tone, firm, and smooth. Damage Ready Daily Hair Repair. Protects from heat styling, y'all. As you can see, I've gone completely blonde. I had some of the most damaged hair in the world. I went to my stylist. I said, let's cut off all of the blonde ends that have been growing out for years and years now, and let me start fresh with good hair. And then I decided to go blonde. So I re-damaged my hair doing that, and now, and I am bad about my heat tools, and so this is very welcome, and it's going to be great. I have dogs, and they hear things, and they think that we're being attacked, and we are being attacked. There's somebody at the door. Everything's fine. We're good. Most dogs are settled back down, and we can continue. Hey, buddy. Hi. Yes. Move on. Go on. Whoa. Okay. All the dogs are settled. We're good now. For the next item, I so wish that my significant other was here because I got this specially for him. He loves a charcuterie board. This is smaller than I thought it was going to be. I don't know why I thought it was going to be bigger, but I got this for him. He's out of town working right now on a music video. So this will be a nice surprise for when he gets back. Yeah, I did think it was going to be bigger, but super cute. Really excited for this. Juice Cleanse Exfoliating Sugar Cubes. This is not something I would normally get. I don't know if they were out of something or if I did order this. Who knows? I do like a good sugar scrub. The Better Skin Company. Sorry, I thought this kind of matched that and thought they were the same. Cleanser, scrub, and mask. I just love a good face mask. a daily cleanser, exfoliating scrub, and revitalizing mask. Last but not least, I got myself a new flat iron. I have a really nice Qi, and I love it a lot, and it's been really great, but it doesn't have a variable heat setting. It's like on or off, and it's super hot. And as I mentioned before, I need to really take better care of my hair. And this has the variable heat setting that I'm looking for. So I'm very excited about this. And I did get some add-on items from the store. Let me put this away. Try to at least. Okay. I did get some add-on items. I got a corrective eye serum. I got Kula Classic Sunscreen White Tea Moisturizer. I got a coconut scrub and some matcha green tea sheet masks. Very excited about all of these things as well. I really like FabFitFun. I appreciate all the products that they're introducing me to and the deals that I get on them. I'm very pleased with my box, and I cannot wait for the next one. I think the winter box is coming up pretty soon, and I can't wait to see what they're offering. And if you haven't tried FabFitFun, I strongly encourage you to do so. If you like what you see, please subscribe, share on social media, all of that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching and bearing with me through this awkward video with dogs and chaos and everything like that. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.